Dear student, I am B.V. Patil. My school name is Uttur Vidyalaya, Uttur. Today we discuss about standard 10th, subject Maths, part 2. Chapter is first. Chapter name is similarity. Today we discuss about theorem of an angle bisector of a triangle. Welcome dear student. Today we discuss about theorem of an angle bisector of a triangle. Theorem is the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. This theorem we discuss shortly here. Here one triangle, draw here triangle and bisector. Here we draw triangle A, B, C, and bisector divides side AB in point E. That CE is bisector means bisector of angle C means angle C divides in equal measure of angle C, equal measure we get here. In triangle ABC, segment CE is bisector of angle C. When we use this theorem, if in a triangle one bisector is given, bisector of angle is given, then and then we can use by angle bisector of triangle theorem. By that theorem, what we write? Tell the bisector. Bisector is CE. That bisector divides which side? That bisector divides side AB. Tell the part of AB. First part is AE and second part is EB. Then that bisector divides side and its ratio is equal to the ratio of remaining sides. Which are the remaining sides? Side CA and side CB. Therefore, by that theorem, this bisector divides AB in the ratio, two parts ratio we get here. First part is AE divided by second part is EB is equal to that bisector divides side and its ratio is equal to the remaining sides. Tell the ratio of remaining sides. First side is AC divided by remaining another side is CB. Today we discuss in shortly about theorem of an angle bisector of triangle. Here application we see here triangle drawn here and bisector also we draw here triangle A, B, C. This bisector divides AC in point D. That bisector divides angle B in equal measure. In triangle ABC, which is the bisector? Bisector is BD. BD is angle bisector of angle B of triangle ABC. When bisector of angle is given, then we can use which theorem? Therefore, by angle bisector of a triangle theorem, by that theorem, what we write? Bisector, which is the bisector? That is BD is the bisector. That bisector divides which side? That bisector divides side AC in which ratio? That is AD divided by DC is equal to ratio of remaining sides. Which are the remaining sides? That is AB and BC. Its ratio means AB divided by BC. By that theorem, we write AB remaining side divided by another remaining side, that is BC, is equal to that bisector BD divides which side? That is AC side in which ratio? That is AD divided by DC. Example, here triangle is given and bisector is given. Triangle name is triangle MNP, and that NQ is a bisector. In triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector. That NQ is a bisector of angle N. If MN is 5, PN is 7, MQ is 2.5, then find QP. In solution, what is given? Bisector is given. In triangle MNP, tell the bisector name. That is segment NQ is a bisector of which angle? Angle N. NQ is a bisector of angle N. Therefore, tell here which theorem we can use here. That is by bisector of an angle of a triangle theorem. By that theorem, what we write? Which ratio is similar? That bisector divides which side? That is side MP, and ratio of that side is two parts. Ratio is MQ divided by QP is equal to ratio of remaining sides. Which are the remaining sides? That is side MN and side NP, and ratio of that two sides is MN divided by NP. Then substitute values. Therefore, value of MQ, tell here, that is 2.5 divided by value of QP, tell here, that is we find here, is equal to value of MN, tell here, that is 5 divided by value of NP, tell here, that is 7. Therefore, tell the next step, that is cross multiplication, means 2.5 into 7 is equal to, this cross multiplication is 5 into QP. Therefore, tell here multiplication, that is 25 sevens are 175, one decimal point here, that is 17.5 is equal to right side remaining, that is 5 into QP. Therefore 5 multiply, taking on LHS side, it becomes divide, means 17.5 divided by this 5 multiply, here divide is equal to 5 taking on LHS side, remaining part is QP. Therefore 5 divide here, what we get, that is 3.5 is equal to QP. Therefore side changes, QP is equal to this LHS side 3.5. In this way we can solve example. Thank you. Dear student, you like my video, then please give like to video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.